If you're someone from NIAT, this video is for you.
One Instagram reel could literally make you one of the winners at NIAT's biggest creators challenge, and that is Grit Creators Challenge 2.0. In this video, we will be covering what is Grit Creators Challenge and how to participate, and the most important rule so that you shouldn't get disqualified. What is the challenge? The Creators Challenge 2.0 is running from 25th June to 25th July. Winners are decided based on the organic reach. The more people naturally watch and engage with your content, then the better chances of winning. There are multiple winner categories like overall highest reach, campus highest reach, category highest reach, and management's choice. Step 2. Create an Instagram or YouTube short. Step 3. Post your video and add @NIAT.grit as a collaborator. And don't forget to tag your regional NIAT pages. And finally, submit your short or reel before 25th of July. And here comes the most important rules. Before you start creating, here are some rules. Your content must be original. Keep it under 60 seconds. And your profile must be in public throughout the contest. And most importantly, never buy followers, views, or likes. Any fake engagement can lead to immediate disqualification. And that's everything you need to know about NIAT's Grit Creators Challenge 2.0. If you're planning to participate, this is a perfect time to start. If this video feels helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Bye.